from these two apps on this screen, there are two more important apps you need as a forex beginner trader. This app will show you. One is investing.com or Forex Factory. This app is all about checking the news, the commodity, everything you need, how the market is going, the CPI, the NFT, the PMI, everything you need to know about news. Okay, so me, I use investing.com. Okay, so once you log in, you just register with your email address, and you can go around all these things. You see everything you know about this platform. New, but if you want to access the economic the news, like today is Thursday. This is today's news we're expecting. Okay, you click on tools here. Okay, once you click on tools, once you click on tools, you click on economic calendar. Okay, once you click on the economic calendar, it will pop up this place, so you'll be able to me, I filter my own distance. So you click on filter to select. Maybe I will done another video. If you need it, how to filter the important news, you drop it on the comment section, so I will know that people need it, then I will do the video about that. So another apps you need is this one, Forex Calculator. This one is how to calculate your position sizes. Okay, you don't just calculate up like, no, you calculate with your Forex so that you know the exact lot size, everything you need to know. Okay, so go to your browser and type in Forex Calculator. You click on this first one that says position sizes calculator. This is how to use this Forex calculator, or you can say it's my Facebook calculator. So whichever pairs you are trading, you can select it here. Click on here, you select any pairs you are trading. So let's use this EU to do the example. So here that said account currents. Okay, you can select if your account is in dollar, GPP. So everybody know, depending on your currency, then dollar is the major one. So this one that said risk ratio or risk reward. So let's say you are trading with $100, you only risk 1% of your account. That means you add one here. All right. This one that say stop loss pips. Okay. Since we are trading EU, so you go and copy your stop loss sizes. Trade I'm currently holding this morning. So let's copy this stop loss sizes. The stop loss sizes is this up here. So I'm going to put in this on the FS calculator. You copy your loss size. If it is in pips, you copy the pips. If it is in, this one is euro U. So this is what. Then here that said trade size loss. Okay. Then you put 0.01. Any loss size you are trading, you put it there. Then you click on calculate. You calculate it, this is the result. That means you are risking $1 per every trade you are trading. See, we are currently on trade right now, so we are almost $40 per trade. So this is a 10 trade. This is a 10 trade Propfirm account I got on the promo they are doing. So let's see how we can be able to make money using this 10 trade Propfirm account. It's an instant Propfirm account. So if you want to get it, you can check the link on my bio, or you can go to 10trade.com and create an account. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. Peace and love. Pass like that.